Moroccan Kefta Kebab is a true delight, a culinary masterpiece that captures the essence of Moroccan flavors. It's a dish bursting with flavor, a symphony of spices that dance on your palate. Imagine succulent ground meat, infused with aromatic spices like cumin, coriander, and paprika. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water, a tantalizing preview of the taste to come. This dish is a staple in Moroccan cuisine, enjoyed by families and friends across the country. It's perfect for any occasion, from casual meals to special celebrations, bringing people together in a shared love of food. The beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity, yet it delivers a depth of flavor that is truly remarkable. It's easy to make, even for beginner cooks, requiring just a few basic ingredients and some patience. But don't let that fool you. The result is a dish that is both sophisticated and satisfying. The flavors are complex and utterly irresistible, a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Morocco. The key is in the blend of spices and herbs, which we'll explore in the next section, revealing the secrets behind this beloved dish. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey to the heart of Morocco, where every bite tells a story of tradition and flavor. The success of Moroccan Kefta Kebab hinges on the perfect blend of ingredients. Each spice, herb, and piece of meat contributes to a symphony of flavors that define this beloved dish. Each component plays a vital role in creating the unique flavor profile. The right balance of spices can elevate the dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Start with 1 pound of ground beef or lamb, or a mix of both. The choice of meat is crucial as it forms the base of the kebab. For extra juiciness, add 3 ounces of ground beef or lamb fat. This ensures that the kebabs remain moist and flavorful when cooked. Next comes the aromatic base. Fresh herbs and onions are essential for adding layers of flavor. Finely chop 1 medium onion or grate it for a smoother texture. Then add the spices, 2 teaspoons of paprika, which adds a smoky sweetness, 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin and salt, which enhance the savory notes, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper for a hint of heat, and a pinch of cayenne pepper to give it a subtle kick. These spices add warmth and depth to the kebab, making each bite a delightful experience. The careful combination of these ingredients is what makes Moroccan Kefta Kebab truly special. Now let's bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine the ground meat, fat, if using, onion and spices. Use your hands to mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the spices are evenly distributed. This step is crucial for developing the flavor. Once mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld and intensify. While the mixture chills, prepare your skewers. If using bamboo skewers, soak them in water for 30 minutes. This prevents them from burning on the grill. The aroma of the grilling kebabs is simply intoxicating. The smoky scent fills the air, making your mouth water in anticipation. Once cooked, remove the skewers from the grill and let them rest for a few minutes. This short resting period is crucial. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and flavorful kebab. The steam rising from the kebabs is a sign of their perfect doneness. Serve your Moroccan Kefta Kebabs immediately. The sooner you serve them, the better they taste. They are delicious on their own or with a side of fluffy couscous. The couscous soaks up the flavors beautifully. For a complete Moroccan feast, add a vibrant salad bursting with fresh vegetables and herbs, a dollop of creamy yogurt dip and warm pita bread. The yogurt dip adds a cool, tangy contrast to the rich kebabs. The combination of flavors and textures is simply divine. Enjoy the feast with friends and family and savor every bite.